guys, this is your baddie gal Aisha, and if you want to learn this alt baddie makeup, which is goth, which is dark, which is mysterious, which is really bold, then stay with me till the end of the video because of course I'll be showing you how to do it. And yeah, let's get started. Without further ado. First, I'm doing my eyes because it's a bold eye makeup, and I'm choosing this light purple shade. And then I'm using this dark purple eggplant shade in matte all over my lid and actually concentrating the darker color on the lash line and then just diffusing it towards the upper part of the lid. So it's going to give a very nice hue. And then using this purple lid shiner, and I'm going to use it on the middle part of my eyelid so that my eyes pop more. And if you really want a matte look, then you can actually skip it. And I'm just using this dark shade that I used before in matte on the lower lash line so that it does not look empty. Now I'm just blending everything with a fluffy brush to give it a smooth appearance. Now I'm using this gray glitter on the inside of my eyes, on the inner corner actually, so that my eyes look bigger. Again, if you really want a matte look, you can skip it. And I'm using this black kajal and making the wing with it and then using it on the lash line. Now I'm using this foundation, which is one shade lighter than my skin, but it's fine because we are going with the goth makeup, and because it's a really good full coverage foundation, so I don't have to cover my blemishes. And this beauty blender is damp, so yeah, make sure to do that so that your foundation looks even and it does not crack. Make sure to cover every inch of your face and take time to blend it because blending is key. Yes, you can take two shades lighter foundation or so, but I think one shade is enough. But for this makeup, don't take the exact shade of your foundation because it's gonna be very natural and we don't want a natural look. Alright, so don't worry that, oh, this is so much foundation, because the beauty blender is gonna take care of it. And I'm setting it up with a setting powder from Laura Mercier. And now I'm going to use the highlighter from LA Girl, and I'm going to give the lifted appearance like I always do on the usual areas of my face, as you can see here, and then just blend with the same beauty blender. Now I'm using baking technique underneath my eyes so that my eyes look much more bright from there. Now I'm using the same eye what do you call it, eye shade. I'm using the same eye shade that I've used before, like the first one, the light purple one, on my cheekbones. And I'm using this highlighter from Luscious Cosmetics. It's a really beautiful highlighter if you don't want to go with the gold look. It's somewhere in between gold and silver mix, and I'm using it in the bony part of my face, and I'm using the lid is broken. Heartbreak. And using this vampy dark lipstick from Wet n Wild. It's a matte lipstick. I don't know whether they make it anymore or not, but it's really good for that goth dark makeup. So it's a matte liquid lipstick, metallic lipstick, but using it is so difficult and you have to be really careful. So I'm using this lip brush, and at the end I'm using my mascara, the Colossal mascara from Maybelline, because I don't like to use lashes, so I have done double coats of mascara. And you can see this goth look. It looks so goth. Oh my god, I'm like, okay, I can look like this too. So vampy. But yeah, I hope you like this makeup. This brings us to the end of our video. I hope you've enjoyed this very look, goth look, the dark, glamorous, mysterious makeup. And yeah, let's just do it and impress everyone with your new baddie avatar. So yeah, if you like this video, don't forget to put a thumbs up to it, subscribe to my channel, go to my website ashawbugs.com and learn more more about this makeup. And till we meet again, take care of yourself. Mwah. Love you guys, and ciao. Stay ready.